All right, so we have about 5 minutes to go to the big oil event that I'm trading today. We'll see how that works out. What I'm trading is a possible bearish pennant here. We are trading the news, and there's many reasons, very good reasons why I'm trading the news, which I explained in that blog post. But things look good, and I'm going to continue this video and see what's up and see how things can work out. But so far, price action is acting correctly. It's moving how I like it to move, how I want it to move. It's right at the top, and it's creating a beautiful little pattern. We're looking at a short-term time frame, just 30 minutes. I know some people would disagree, but hey, you know what? You're not trading with this money. I am, so I'm the boss. Let's see how this works out. This looks like a good setup. I've released a blog post about it. I like to go out and show the world what I'm doing. I don't want to do something and then tell the world, hey, look what I did, because anyone can do that, right? But it takes balls to go out there and say, this is what I'm doing, and be publicly wrong about it. And I have many times, but the thing is, I've been right many more times. So let's see. We've got 3 minutes left. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll continue recording a minute before the news. Boom. 1 minute to go. This is what I'm trading. Here's the blog post. You guys can see it was released already. It's out. It's available to the public. I explained inside this blog post exactly why I'm trading this, why I'm going down, why I'm doing this, blah, blah, blah. Here's the pattern. And this is the long-term version. So here you can see a long-tailed bearish pin bar right there. And that's the daily chart, yesterday's price action. Today we have this price action moving a bit higher. And I got a couple of trades. I'm all in the red for so far. I got a couple of big trades on here. I'm going a little bit big, risking some profits and trying to make it big. Now there's only a couple of minutes left. Let's see how price action reacts to all of this. Sorry for my finger. I didn't see that the camera is there. I'll continue holding this there and we'll see what we are up against. Okay, it's out. It's heading lower. Let's see. No, it's going up. It's going down. It's going up. It's going down. What is it gonna do? This is why I hate trading the news. Markets move up and down a lot. A hell of a lot. It's going down nicely, then it's going up. Very indecisive. There is a lot of people here. A lot of people trading this. A lot of people trading this. A lot of eyes on this, a lot of movement. You can see that there is a lot of movement right there. This is a 30-minute chart. So let's see what's up, how this works out. We have a good possibility of this being a free lower low pattern. Check this out, one there, another one there, and then another one there. So normally I'd say that this is normally I'd say that there's very good chances of it going down. My target, my first target, of course, is 55 here. So this level right there, 55.20, let's say. And then the next one would be 52. And then finally 50. But there is barely any movement here. I mean, nothing's really happening so far. Nothing major. Let's go on investing.com and see what they say. Minus 10 million. Is this good? Is this bad? Nobody knows with oil. Anyway, the market's taking it bad so far. Let's see. If the market can't move lower, I don't know. I don't know. It's going down now. It's moving nicely. I've got some profits here. You can see these are different trades. The two green ones are oil, and the third one there with 36 pips. They're all different entries. So far, moving nicely. I got another little account here, again with oil. Trading for a friend, and no major movement, no major movement whatsoever. No major movement. I'll come back, so I don't hold this camera. I'll come back and record what happened later. See you in a bit. Okay guys, as you can see, there's a lot of movement up, a lot of movement down, a lot of indecision. Still not sure where price is going. I'm still basing this that it's gonna go down. Still looks like a down move. I still think it's gonna go down. I'll keep updating and I'll release a video of how and what I do. All of my trades are still there. Now they're all in the red. They're all in the red, but it's okay. Things are gonna work out, hopefully. And here's another update. We're moving well. Price action is moving to the downside. You can see this is the 30-minute chart, WTI. This is the 4-hour chart, WTI, finding resistance at that level right there. Things are looking better. Much, much better. Okay, well, I'll update you again. And we're back to the station. As you guys can see, WTI taking nice moves to the downside. We're doing some compounding negative here. Some big positions. Things are looking good. WTI holding well towards the downside. Rejected right there. Rejected right there. And now we are waiting for a move to the downside. The main thing we need to break is, of course, this trend line, and that's going to continue with price action going lower. Now, let me just explain a couple of things with my face. Hey guys, so here's the deal with oil. In my trading room, I explained to the guys there that buying the rumor, selling the fact, and vice versa, selling the rumor, buying the fact, has worked very, very well for me with WTI. Now, on the 6th of December, not very far away, we have the big OPEC meeting, and this OPEC meeting is going to be quite important. Now, I really do expect oil to continue going lower, maybe even below 50. I'm going to hold till 52, see how it acts, how it reacts at that level. Then I'm going to continue holding if it breaks 52. I'm talking about WTI. If it breaks 52, it's going down to 50. That's where I'm probably going to get out and take my profits. But I think that after this little wedge, or whatever pennant, whatever you want to call it, gets fully confirmed, so the breakout actually happens and price starts heading down, then things are going to start cooking real well. Until then, we can't say that this is the price action is going down, but there is a lot of very good reasons why oil should continue going lower. There's many of them, and I can name you some right now off the top of my head. One is the strong dollar. Two is the massive 8 weeks in a row, I think, or 6 weeks in a row, or some crazy number like that. The US crude oil inventories have come out higher. They're printing out much more. Then you have OPEC and the OPEC plus countries, well, printing out, flooding the markets with oil. Now that's just a few reasons. There's many, many more. Anyway, I'll continue updating the charts, continue watching this video, and hopefully you'll understand how I manage trades and how I add on and things like this. Bless you. Okay, that's it. And here is one more update. You can see that we're slowly starting to move downwards. That contraction worked out well for us. And if we can hold on to these losses, then we're sure to break out to the downside. Anyway, I'm going to update you only if something big happens from now on. Okay, the charts keep moving and moving, and I keep updating them and just trying to get the correct move. This is how I make money. As the market moves, I adapt with the market. I do not stick to the same specific idea. As you can see, the music is on. That means I'm alone in my trading house. I trade from home. The wife is at work, son is at school. So yeah, I adapt to the markets. As you can see, I've added some more levels here. The pink one connecting this level here. Added a pink level here connecting these lows, and trying to see what's up, trying to see what's going to happen. I mean, there is a point where I'm going to get out, and that's where my stop losses. That's when I get out. But until then, I keep adapting. I keep changing the charts, keep updating them, refreshing them, and that's called trade management, at least in my books. Hey guys, here's another update to the actual WTI post that I've been doing. The 1 hour chart indicates to me that we will have bearishness on WTI. The 4 hour chart tells me the exact same story. The daily has those little tailed bars, long tailed bars, which tell me bearishness. Now, the most interesting thing that I see is on the actual on the actual monthly chart. Now the monthly chart gives me very good indications, well, either of a reversal or a big breakout to the downside. It's one of the two. It's either a big breakout to the downside or a big rise to the upside. It's one of the two. I have to leave for a meeting now, and I'll be back and update this video and make a little compilation of what I did, how I did it, just so you guys get a bit of a bigger picture of what I do and how I do it and how I make money trading the markets. That's it. I'll see you guys in a bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start going. As you can see, I've edited the charts a little bit more. There was a big push up here. Let's see how this hour works out. If not, I'm getting out. If it starts breaking above this area, I'm out. Closing out, and that's it. So this is the 30-minute chart of WTI. Today is the 16th of November 2018. As you can see, we have a possible rising pennant here, wedge, whatever you want to call it, triangle, doesn't matter. It's normally a bearish indicator of price action going lower. Problem is, before I thought it was downwards here. I thought it was pacing down, but now it seems it's taking the tops here. In any case, we'll see how this works out. Moving over to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, sorry for my finger, let me just grab the camera better. 4-hour chart looks like this. We'll move this out, we'll start cleaning up the chart. So we have the trend line here. The bottom one is already broken. We have the possibility of this one acting as a resistance. We have the EMA and DC combo, which is indicating bearishness. I don't know if it's gonna hold. I don't know. There's still an hour and 30 minutes left for the 4-hour candle to wrap up. And then we move over to the daily, where the daily, we don't have much. We're only basing it on this one right there, this candle right there. And that's a long-tailed bearish pin bar. And then we have one more right after it. Not as long as the other one. I don't know how this is going to work out. But today is the day. And now here's the biggest thing. This is the monthly chart. Now look at the monthly chart. This is all of the statistics that we have on TradingView that we can work with. So we have the main bottom right there. And that's at 26,500. Then we have the second, and then we have the third. Now last time we had a similar scenario, but not free higher lows, which worries me because free higher lows usually indicates a big push. Now the month is, we're only at the 16th, so there's still room for it to go lower because we're only at the 16th of the month, and we had a big engulfing right there. So a huge engulfing, you can see that right there, this candle right there. It's a huge engulfing candle. Let's see, maybe it's gonna work out. If it does break this trend line, then the next logical level to target would be this here, which is 46. But I don't know. It's getting dangerous after looking at the monthly chart. I'm starting to think that maybe I'm wrong on this one. In any case, here's the 30-minute chart. No, this is the 1-hour chart. There's still 30 minutes left and it's messing about. Those annoying feelings are coming up. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right. We're trying to break out of the bottom level. On the 14th, on the 1-hour chart, it looks decent. If we can break out of the DC-EMA combo, we should continue with the downfall. The main thing that you need to see here is that the 58 mark was written. The DC-EMA combo worked as a resistance, but we're coming out to the lows. So there is a problem that we could make one more high. Based on this here, so this high here, and then this high here, we could make one more. I'm not sure, but we'll see. The daily chart, we're leaving another wick on top, shadow. And this would confirm to me that next week is going to be a big selling week for oil. In any case, I'm staying in my positions. I got a couple of them there. Total margin used $1.2K. And the net profit is about 400 so far. But I'm expecting big gains on this one. We're trying to go with the breakout now. We are at the bottom levels If we can break this, then we're good. If we can't, well then, I don't know what to say. We'll have to wait for next week. Things are moving well. It's Friday. Markets are reacting well to our expectations. That's it. With the final update, you're looking at the 1 hour chart here of WTI. I'm not going to continue updating this anymore. I've completed the pattern, and now it's either break up or go down. So this is the 1 hour chart. This is the 4 hour chart. We're approaching the EMAs here and this trend line. The blue line in the middle is the 58 mark, which I believe should act as a resistance. But of course we do have this upper trend line here. I don't know, it's very mixed because of the news, because of the expectations of OPEC. We'll see. It seems like people are riding the news right now, the expectations, so trading with hope, taking price up based on hope, and then I expect a crash. But will it crash or not? I mean, I don't know. I'm no one to say that. The general support level, let's say, the only main resistance level based on price action is this one here, the pink one that you see, not this one down here. Let's remove that one. So that's it there, and then the next one would be the close, and then the next one would be the low, and then the close again. So I don't know what's gonna happen. No one knows. That's why the markets provide uncertainty. Anyway, I'm still rooting for the downside. I still think it's gonna work out, but as time goes, it's getting tougher and tougher. Of course, there is a recovery for this week, and people are trading this one with hope. We'll see how it works out. Talk to you guys soon again. That's WTI. Those are the results. And here's the post in which we told everyone it's going down. It's going down dirty. WTI broke out of the main level here. You can see a big drop in today's candle, down 5.4% so far. And you can see this on the 4 hour as well. As expected, a big drop. We broke out of the main support level, which is 55,280. And we're hoping to see a drop down towards the 50 line. That's where we're aiming. That's what I'm aiming for, as I've been saying so far. This is the outcome. I'm still sick, by the way. This is the outcome of the actual position. You can see that price action dropped down to about 52, almost. So, I want to summarize this video very quickly. As you can see, this is WTI, 1 hour chart, West Texas, blah blah blah, 23rd of November 2018, and look at that baby. We've came to a low of 50,500. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. As you can see, this is a new chart, new indications, new everything. Now we're waiting for a retest of this level here. Let me just show you this. So we're waiting for a retest of this area right there, and I'm gonna short it again, but I'm ending this video, and I'm ending it on a high note. I'm gonna show you the profits here. These are big profits we're talking about.